Salihin Quran and Islamic Studies Academy. More than 8 years. Successfully completed hundreds of courses. Learn Quran with holy teachings of AhleBayt alayhimussalam with interesting and modern methodologies. Qualified and devoted female and male staff, under supervision of scholars and experts.
We are offering basic Qaida, Nazra Quran, Hifzul Quran, basic Tajweed, Memorization, complete Namaz. Seerat a Masomeen alayhimussalam, history, Ahkam, and other Islamic topics.
Regular assessment and progress report. Timings and days flexibility. In English and Urdu. One-to-one and group classes. Certificate after completion. Gifts for motivation. For more information, contact us.
+9 23 000 422252. +447 466 154004. Visit our website www.salihin.org.